Hey, welcome back YouTube to STL Thrifts. We're here in the Thrift Dungeon, checking out. We're doing something a little bit different today. This is kind of a bonus video. I see a lot of DVDs at the bins in the media section when I'm searching for games and seeing what else, if there's anything else valuable in there. I was kind of wondering, like, what if I just grabbed some and took them to a place like V Stock or Vintage Stock, and see what they would give me in trade, and if it was possible to make a profit, or how profitable this endeavor would be. So here's the DVDs I got. I just got done looking up the prices on them on eBay. They don't make a whole lot of sense to sell, and I knew that going in, because shipping, like the cheapest I can really ship something is about $3.25, first class mail. And that's a lot of times what they go for. So G.I. Joe, Rise of Cobra. This is sealed, brand new DVD, good shape. Goes for $3.88 on eBay. I also looked at the Blu-ray was only $4, so I was kind of thinking maybe Blu-rays would be worth more, but they really, a lot of them, most of the time they aren't. It's kind of what I found out, especially in the reselling side of it. Talladega Nights sells for $3.59 on eBay. Blu-ray was $4.49. John Wick was a little bit more for some. It was $5.48, but they had a pre-owned Blu-ray for $5.49. Brand new Blu-ray was $6.67. This case is not in perfect condition, so I think I'd be on the lower side anyway. The Amazing Spider-Man 2 is probably the more profitable. There weren't a ton of them online, but it was $6.70 on eBay. Brand new Blu-ray was $11.57. Used Blu-ray was $8.89. So that's probably one of the more expensive ones out of all these here. Orange County, basically brand new. The seal is a little bit broken on it. Goes for $3.44. And a side note, I don't think I'll ever buy any again that have these Goodwill stickers. It's taking me forever to get off. So if I keep doing this or ever do this again, I'll probably try and avoid the DVDs with the stickers. Or I just feel like I need to take them off, as opposed to the original stickers from several years ago. I don't mind leaving on there to try and get them to think it's worth more. Obviously, they're not going to fall for that. We got animated Transformers here. This is $4.54. I didn't see a Blu-ray. The Dean Martin Show is $6.50. The Nightmare Before Christmas. This one, I didn't see a whole lot of this exact DVD. I'm not sure if this is like a bootleg or something. The disc itself, though, looks pretty good in there. But there was like a much nicer, newer version for $6.50, like a 2-disc collector set or something. The Transformers was $3.58. Savages was $3.55. This is a sealed High School Musical 3. A little bit of damage though, and some marking on it. And that was like $3.58. Saw 5 was about $4, and The Woman in Green was selling for $5.46. Of like a Sherlock Holmes vintage movie. So as you can see, we got a lot of variety here. At the Goodwill bins, you essentially pay about 10 cents an ounce. It's $1.59 a pound at my Goodwill bins. And about the lightest DVD you get, even this brand new sealed G.I. Joe, weighs about 2.5 ounces. So it's about a quarter there. The Saw looks a little bit heavier. Got invested 34 cents there. This other DVD, I'm not going to use in this experiment, but I was the Sealed Bones Blu-ray, Season 5. I actually don't see this exact one anywhere online. It's got a lot of Japanese on the package, with some English. So I may try and sell this online. But for that's like the heaviest one I've ever seen. Weighs 5 ounces. So that would be about 50 cents. So we got 17 DVDs here that are all pretty similar value, that we're going to take in and see. I think I could easily come away with about 17 similar DVDs anytime I go to the bins. They got their Easter sale this weekend, so I'm going to go in there, check out the Easter sale, trade in these DVDs, see what we get. Right now we have, I weighed them, and we have $3.78 total invested in these 17 DVDs. So hopefully we'll get more than that. Not sure if we will. We'll see. Stay tuned. I'm going to head over this weekend. I'll pick up the video there. And so here we are at V-Stock. All right, guys. We're at the V-Stock. We're going to go in, see what we can get. I'm not going to film inside, but I'll show you guys the receipt back in the thrifting dungeon. All right. Welcome back, guys. We're back from V-Stock. We were able to trade in 10 of the 13 DVDs that we brought. These were the ones they rejected. The Dean Martin Show, Nightmare Before Christmas, and Saw 5. I think the reason they rejected, I didn't ask him, but I think the reason he rejected these two is because they don't have a barcode on the back. So the way they determine the prices, from what I can tell, is they scan the barcode and it pops up in the system what they can offer you. So I think that's why these two got rejected. And that's good to know when you're looking at DVDs and things at the bins that you want to trade in, possibly that if there's no barcode, you may have a hard time at V-Stock. This one he rejected because of, he scanned the bar. This one does have a barcode. He scanned it and it just wasn't popping up in his computer. If you look at it, there's like some Japanese on the CD title or on the DVD there. And it's something with the region. This one just isn't in their system. The Japanese version of Nightmare Before Christmas, or maybe I'll have to pop it in the DVD player and actually watch it to see if there is any kind of Japanese subtitles or what goes along with it. So in total we got $365 for the 10 that they took, and plus we got to keep 3. We spent initially we spent $378, which would be a loss, but that was we spent $378 on the 13 DVDs. So if you subtract these from the total, these weigh 9.6 ounces. These 3 DVDs, I just weighed them up. So we get about 96 cents back from our total. So that means we spent $2.82 for a total of $3.60, and then we've made less than $1 essentially. About a little bit more than 80 cents, or a little bit less than 80 cents back. 77 cents total would be our profit. Or is that? Let me see. Quick math. 3. We'll take a break. And I'll come back. All right, we're back, guys. So yeah, we made 83 cents total. So obviously, not a whole lot of profit in the exchanging DVDs you find at the bins, at least not at V-Stock. Let me know in the comments below if you think there's a better place to trade in DVDs. I've kind of learned, I think GameStop is the best for games, video games. And the nice thing about GameStop is you can look up the price of the game before you take it in. So I don't think I'd ever trade games in at V-Stock, which I have before, but I wasn't super impressed. And then make sure we learned that you got to make sure there's a barcode on it. And maybe if there was something at V-Stock that you were really looking forward to getting, you could maybe keep some DVDs. I think I might, if I see a really clean DVD that's like a Blu-ray or it's sealed, I would consider getting that. And then individually looking up. Some DVDs are worth money and worth looking up. But a lot of times, it's kind of hard to figure out what it's worth because people will throw up like something like this. I think there's, somebody selling this for $7 on eBay was the low price, but someone else selling it for 20. So it can be hard to tell on a quick search in the while you're trying to shop around the bins. But V-Stock is not trying to hate on them. It's totally a cool store. Today was their Easter sale. So I picked up 3 of these Pokemon card packs, and I'm going to be opening these up in a video next week. I bought 2 of these. They were $10 each, and then I got a third one for free. So 3 of these packs to open up on a video next week. And then also they had these, not the baseball, but these baseball holders there for $2.50 each. And that wasn't even on sale. That was just their general price. I've been looking for some of I looked on Amazon the other day, and the cheapest they had on Amazon was $6. I think it was like $6.50 even. So getting I got 2 of these for my Mark McGuire baseballs that I found at the bins that I kind of like. Spent $5. And that was pretty cool that they had these there for such a good deal. And I was able to pick up some Pokemon cards for not a crazy price either. Got a deal on that. So there you go, guys. We kind of learned a lot. Let me know like how you think they value stuff at V-Stock. So let's see here. We'll do some more quick math to figure out how much they gave me per DVD. I traded in a total of 10. They said 11 here. I think that was because he'd scanned this one and decided he couldn't give me anything for it. But they took a total of 10, and I got 365. So we'll have 365 divided by 10. That means they, quick math done, that means they give you about 36.5 cents per DVD there. And at the bins, they weigh between 2.5 ounces and 3.5 ounces usually. Sometimes they weigh as much as 5 ounces. I think Ricky Bobby, the Talladega Nights DVD, weighed, closer to 4 or 5 ounces there. So you get about roughly 5 to 10 cents more when you trade in a DVD at V-Stock versus what you're paying for it at the bins, which is a little bit of a slim profit margin. And that, mind you, is if you do store credit. If I had done, I think the cash price for this would have been right at, I think it was like $2.80. I didn't listen to what he said, but it was 50% more, which I think is it was right around $2.80 for the cash value. So if there's something at V-Stock you want, you're saving up for some collectible item that they have, it might be worth, doing this if you have some laying around. It's definitely not worth your time, I don't think, to go to the bins and pick up as many DVDs as you can and take them to V-Stock, especially when some of them might get rejected. But now we kind of know the criteria. If it's not showing up on eBay, this exact one wasn't showing up on eBay, they probably won't take it if you scan the barcode. And if it doesn't have a barcode, they're not going to take it. Let me know in the comments if you know exactly how they value stuff. It seemed like 36 cents for a DVD was pretty low. I'm guessing they're, I was looking around their DVD section, the used DVD section. I think the cheapest one I saw was $3. So I mean, they're giving you about 10%, I think, of what they can sell it for. Or maybe I don't know if they take condition in or not. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. If you want to see me try and trade in things at other places, let me know. But I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this video. I'll catch y'all next time.